What's up, guys? Welcome back to your favorite channel. So check it out, y'all. I got a random project today, and we're gonna see if we can't fix it. The headphone jack broke off of here. Now I've already taken it apart. I got the top off, a couple of screws, a couple more for this board right here. I've already undid this, so you can flip it over and see. It broke off right here. And I'm gonna see if I can solder it back on and get it to work. We'll see if we can't do something. I'm gonna touch it up right there, and I'll get back to y'all in just a minute because I can't do both at the same time. So hold on a second. Alright, so check this out, y'all. Where this is messed up right here, I can't hold it even, but that's peeled up a little bit and you can still see a little bit of the copper underlay. I'm gonna drop a bead of solder right here and connect all that together. And then I'm gonna solder the thing on top of that and see if it'll make a complete connection. See if that works. Alright, y'all. It's not pretty, but I got this part soldered on. Now I'm gonna do the other 4 pins, and we'll go plug it in and see if it works. Alright, y'all. I got this done. Definitely looks ghetto. Where is it at? But it's on there. It's a hair crooked. That's alright. Got plenty of room. Got plenty of room in there to plug it in still. So I'm gonna screw everything back together and I'm gonna take it out in the movie room and hook it up and see if we got any sound. I'll keep y'all updated just a second. Alright, you guys, I got it plugged back up. Let me see. I got it plugged into the headphone jack. And you can see it's all chopped up. I made the hole just a little bit bigger to account for it being crooked. So you can see I got something on the screen over there. I got the speaker plugged in down here. Now I had to pull up my own videos just so I don't get no copyright or anything like that. I'm gonna click on one and we're gonna see if the sound works. Y'all ready? What's up, guys? Welcome back to your favorite channel. This is what I got for you today. Basically, I'm making a side business. There you go, y'all. That worked. Ghetto solder job saved me a few dollars. Now I don't have a reason to go buy another one. Y'all stuck around and watched this. Appreciate y'all watching. Check back for another one.